bestbookbits.com brings you 5-minute books. Today we're going through Grant Cardone, Sell or Be Sold. Selling is a prerequisite for life. Selling is not just a job. Selling is a way of life. A sale is made in every exchange of ideas or communication. There are no exceptions. The most important skills needed in life aren't taught in school. Salespeople make the world go around. The ability to communicate and convince others is an asset for you. Selling is critical to your survival regardless of your career. To be truly great at anything, you must devote yourself, your energy, and your resources. If you want to be successful at anything, you have to commit. This summary is sponsored by Best Book Bits Consulting. If you've ever thought about starting a podcast, creating a YouTube channel, or even writing a book and need help getting started or getting finished, come work with me. I consult with content creators in all stages. Book a short consulting call with me using the link below in the description. The ability to predict is the first thing that happens when you become a professional. To know is critical to success, and knowledge equals power in life. My production almost doubled from the simple action of observing. A salesman who can't close deals won't like selling. The most important sale, selling yourself. Only to the degree you are sold can you sell. You have to be 100% certain that what you're selling is better than all other options. Being unreasonable means that you are sold on what you're selling, and it is your conviction alone that sells others on it. I assure you that the less hung up you are on money, the easier money will come to you. If the price gets too cheap, people won't see any value in the product. Getting rid of the problem was, give them love, solve a problem, and you will get the money. Your prospect is never the problem, never. Salespeople, not the prospect, are the ultimate barriers to every sale. Customers do not stop sales. People want to feel good about themselves and their decisions. Get over the idea that there's a scarcity of money, because there isn't. Money is to be used, not possessed. Second money is easier to get than the first money. Be more interested in the customer than in yourself. People are senior to products. People write checks, policies, and processes don't. Make the individual more important than the individual sale, and you'll make more sales. Quit the business you think you're in right now and get into the people business. Always, always, always agree with the customer. Agree, acknowledge, make the other party right, and then close the deal. Agreeing is the road to more sales. Selling is the act of giving, not getting. Serving, not selling. Service is senior to selling, and giving is senior to getting. Give all of you to a prospect, not just a part of you. Always pay attention to your customers and stay with them from start to finish. If you chase two rabbits at the same time, both will get away. Make your total commitment to the one opportunity, that one customer, and let him know that. Human beings are much more valuable than money. Treat them like that and you'll be rewarded. If you can't close, you lose. Take massive action. The amount of success you have is limited by the amount of action you take. Put your attention on massive to ensure that you don't become passive. Act like a madman when it comes to action and get completely unreasonable about what you think it will take to get the job done. Work your power base. Make the decision now that you're controlling time, and time is no longer controlling you. A positive attitude is 1,000 times more important than the product itself. Remember that a product can be shopped, but a great attitude cannot. Attitude is senior to product. Buyers don't buy until someone sells, and it doesn't take two, it only takes one. Is that a complaint or an objection? The best salespeople I know are straight shooters. The best sales processes are shorter rather than longer. Remember, all purchases or investments are trying to solve a problem of some sort, all of them. Salespeople who can't close will start to avoid all the other vital necessities of selling. Treat success as your duty, obligation, and responsibility, not as a choice or a job. You have to practice, drill, and rehearse. Obscurity, not being known, is a bigger problem than money. It is a fact of life that to the degree you get attention, you will at some point get criticism. Go to work to prosper, not to work. How you handle rejection is key. It will be critical to your sales success that you keep your environment positive. Don't compete, dominate with your product, company, personality, and your offer. Your goal is to provide your client with so much attention, follow-up, and service that you can't be competed with. Closing is not selling. Closing is to getting the buyer to take action and to agree to exchange of value for what it is you offer. And last, you're in a business where communication is your number one weapon. You can't help anyone if you can't effectively communicate with them. That's wrapping this book summary. If you want the complete summary, click the link below. Remember, we at Best Book Bits Consulting do everything from coaching. If you want to start a podcast, YouTube channel, or write a book, click the link below to book a free call with me. Thanks for watching and listening. Take care. Go out there and sell.